Jad Mr. Kibia, the weather reporter for today. Today is Monday. It's a sunny day. Today is Tuesday. It's a windy day. I want to go to the playground. Today is Wednesday. It's a cold and sunny day. Let's play basketball. Today is Thursday. It's a cold and sunny day. It's our edition day. Today is Friday. It's a cold and cloudy day. Let's go out and play. Today is Sunday. It's a cloudy day. Let's play basketball.